welcome back to my channel. I am Shruti and for today's video I'll be sharing with you guys some products that I got from Amazon, and I thought why not to share it with you guys as you guys really love watching haul videos. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first product is from Miniso India. So guys, firstly I would like to tell that Miniso India is now available on Amazon. In case your city doesn't have an outlet, then you can definitely get it from Amazon. And Miniso has a couple of cute stuff and you can definitely give it a try. So I got eyelashes का pair का set, 5 eyelashes के pair का set है. This retails for rupees 250 or 260 and I think it's the best price you could get a eyelash pair, और वो भी 5 is just a must have in all of us, because eyelash, investing in eyelash that is very high priced is not something for beginners, and this is a good quality eyelash, I must say, because this doesn't look plasticky at all, and I believe that it's just a very good product. So give it a try. मैं मेरे IGTV में, Instagram में I'll also show you guys कि how they actually look on your eyes. So if you are not following me on my Instagram, then go ahead, the link is in my description box. Then I got a eyelash glue, of course I had to get it. So this is a eyelash adhesive. I have used it in the past and I just love this product, so give it a try if you haven't already. So the next product is again by Miniso India, which is this brush ka set. So I wanted to get a makeup brush ka set since a long time. Highly recommend this to you guys, because if you are a makeup beginner, so you should definitely go for it. The reason why I'm telling is makeup brushes are really expensive. अगर आप individually भी खरीदने जाओगे, so it's gonna cost you around 200-300. But this set from Miniso retails for rupees 260 and 6 brushes आते हैं इसमें. Let me show you. This is the powder brush. This is the foundation blending brush. This is the eyebrow setting brush. This is again the eyeshadow brushes, both of them, and this is, I think, again for blending or contouring. So I love all these and it's just so soft. All the bristles that they have, it really feels really soft after using them, and I would highly recommend because it's highly budget friendly and in budget. So give it a try, and it's also available in 3 different colors, 3 or 4, I don't know, yellow, green, blue, pink. I got them in pink color and I love them. Seriously, you guys, invest. So the next product is a ring light. So अभी मैं जिसके सामने बैठ के शूट कर रही हूँ, इतना अच्छा बैकग्राउंड दिख रहा है, it's all because of this ring light. I would highly recommend you guys to purchase this ring light. If you are looking for a ring light with multi-purpose, then it's the best. It retails for rupees 2500. It comes with a tripod, and this ring light has 3 color variants. Let me show you the effects. So ये ऐसा डिम भी हो सकता है, येलो लाइट भी हो सकता है, and normal light भी हो सकता है. It's an amazing product, and if you are looking for a ring light, I would highly recommend this, you guys. It's a very essential and good product to invest in. It's a big thumbs up from my side. If you want to go for it, then go for it. And the tripod that it comes with, ऐसा होता है ये. So basically it has 3 hooks kind of things, and आप इसे extend कर सकते हो और इसके ऊपर आपका ring light प्लेस होता है. So अब क्या होता है, बहुत सारे लोगों को ना ये confusion रहता है कि हमने एक tripod में invest करना है और एक ring light लेनी है. Ring light को तो हम कहीं पे भी adjust करके रख देंगे. We'll use this tripod to keep our camera और mobile. So guys, मोबाइल तक तो ठीक है, बट अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि आप इस पे DSLR रखोगे, मतलब आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर ट्राईपॉड, ओके, तो इतना वज़न नहीं बेयर कर पाएगा, बिकॉज अ DSLR वेज फॉर आई थिंक 1 kg, एटलीस्ट 500 to 1 kg के बीच में वे करता है वो। सो इतना वज़न ये सहन नहीं कर पाएगा, क्योंकि इसकी जो ये एंड वाला जो है वो इतना वज़न नहीं सहन कर पाएगी। सो इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ ट्राईपॉड, आई विल recommend you another tripod. Wait, let me show you. It's from Amazon Basics and I just loved it, man. I must say that it's a highly recommended product from my side. पहली बात तो उसकी जो थिकनेस है, इट्स परफेक्ट फॉर DSLRs एंड यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ ट्राईपॉड। सो ऐसा मत करना कि एक रिंग लाइट के साथ ट्राईपॉड आ रहा है तो हमें ट्राईपॉड की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं। यू शुड एटलीस्ट हैव 2 ट्राईपॉड्स, वन फॉर जो रिंग लाइट के साथ आता है वो रिंग लाइट के लिए, एंड DSLR या फिर मोबाइल या फिर एनीथिंग जो आपके पास है जिससे आप शूट करते हो उसके लिए यू नीड टू गो फॉर another tripod which has thick, stands and which has thick legs, so that it's sturdy enough to bear the weight of a DSLR. The next product that I got is a light box. So I wanted to have a light box since a very long time, and I am personally a huge fan of cute things. So I think एक कॉर्नर पे लाइट बॉक्स रखो, इट लुक्स वेरी क्यूट एंड आपके रूम को काफ़ी अच्छा दिखाता है ये। सो आई लव दिस। इसमें 4 बैटरीज लगती हैं एंड बैटरीज नहीं आती है, बट दिस रिटेल्स फॉर ₹275 एंड आई बिलीव इट्स अ वेरी बजट फ्रेंडली थिंग टू हैव फॉर योर रूम डेकोरेशन। सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली go for it and it's a thumbs up from my side. So yeah. Next product that I got is a tapestry, which is this tapestry, and I'll make sure to link it in the description box below in case you are interested. Then go ahead. I got a similar tapestry, matlab not this design but the world map wala. I just love both of them. They are highly in vibrant colors and I just love the way how it makes my background look. So if you are looking for a good background, then invest in a tapestry that has vibrant and very bright colors so that your background looks really perfect. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to press the bell icon, like, share my video, subscribe to my channel, Instagram, comment below in the comment section that what else you wanna see on this channel, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, love.